again. I'm very delightful to see you again here. Today I'll be talking about some of the very basic commands that you need to know as a beginner in VS Code. And if you are a pro at VS Code, then I'm really sorry this video is not meant for you. So moving on forward, in this video I'll be taking you through how you can open a new directory, search a new file, zoom in and zoom out the codes, commenting, moving statement above or below, copying a statement above or below, manipulating the keyboard shortcut, and I'll be also telling you why you should not use spacebar as one of the keyboard shortcut, and I'll be also showing you multiple cursor support. Let's move to VS Code. See that I'm in directory, and if I want to search a file from these, as you can see there are a lot number of files over here, and if I want to search any one of them, then how can I do it? I have to just click command plus P and I have to write the file name. I'll write list and I'll get all the file name starting with list, and I can just select one of those. Moving on further, to find the new directory, I mean to say, go into a new directory, I need to click command plus O, and then I need to go to the file location, folder location, where I want to store all my codes from now. So I'll go to the destination folder and I'll click open. So now I'm into a new directory. Now if I talk about zoom in and zoom out, I want to zoom in this all the entire code that is being written over here. For this, we need to go to the settings. I'll have to go to the settings. I can go from here, settings, and then here I have to type zoom. When I'll type zoom, I'll get this option, zoom the font of the editor when using mouse wheel and holding control. I need to tick this, as in default you'll be finding it unticked. Now when I'll go over here, I'll press the command or control button on my PC, and I'll push the wheel up or down, and it will increase the font, as you can see, like this. Now if you want to increase or decrease the font of the entire application, you can use one more thing, that is command plus or command minus. Now if I want to comment, then how can I comment? Suppose I want to comment this whole main block. So what I can do, commentation thing is /* asterisk */ but I don't want to do in this way. There is a way in which you can just select the whole thing, and then if you press command plus // it will be commented. You'll comment the whole thing. And again, if I select it and press command plus // it will get uncommented. And while if you're writing a line, suppose if you are into a line, if I am writing a comment in a line and I want to comment it while writing it only. I want to comment it out. I don't want to go to if and then click // in the same line. I want to just comment it. Then I can do again command plus // it will go same as control in Windows. Now if I want to move a statement above or below, suppose I want to take this statement, this comment over here above include. So what I can do, I can press alt or option key, and then I can use the arrow keys above or below to take it up or down. I'll press the option and then it will go up. See, it's over here. And if I want to go back to its original position, so again I'll have to press option and then below, downward arrow key. Now if I want to copy a statement below, I mean to say, if I want to copy this statement below the same comment that I have written over here multiple of times, it may be helpful when you want to rewrite a statement again and again. So if I want to just copy this statement without selecting it and using command C, command V, then I need to just go to keyboard shortcuts, and in the keyboard shortcuts I need to press copy line down. So here is the command for this. I have manipulated this key binding for my use, so that it could be very useful for me in using this key binding. So that it would be easy for me to use this key binding, I have set it to option plus D. You can do it as per your desire. So now if I want to copy this line below, just I have to click option plus D, So in this manner it will print the same statement again and again downwards. The same way you can do it as above also. You can print the same line above also. You need to see how you can see the shortcut for copying line above. See, you'll find the option copy line up. You should never use space or other keys that you are constantly using while writing a code, as once you'll press those keys, your VS editor will be waiting for the next command and you won't be able to add space in between your codes. So please don't use space bar as the key bindings. If I want to, if you can observe this whole statement over here, it's a backslash n b c d e f g h I, and in place of backslash n, if I want to put end l in each and every line, it can be done using the multiple cursor support. I mean to say, I can use the same cursor in each and every statement over here. For this, what I need to do is I need to bring the cursor here and I need to press the option key, and by keep on pressing the option key, I need to click on each and every position where I want the next cursor to be, and then I can just delete this backslash n, and in place of this I want to write end l. So end l, it's done. See, it's very useful. I hope you liked the video, and I'll be coming up with some small tips and tricks on VS Code. So please stay tuned for that, and I'll be very grateful if you'd leave a comment down below so that I could get your valuable feedback. Thank you.